The last section that we need to add before publishing our directory web pages is the quick link section down at the bottom. So we'll double click here and select text. The only text we need to type in is the word quick, just the Q capitalized, followed by links, just the L capitalized. We will change the font style to heading, and then we're going to drag the corner of that text box so that it's taking up only 2 grid lines. We're trying to be consistent with the 2 wide grid lines. All right, then we'll change the section background color to emphasis 2. And now we're going to add some images to this panel. We have 5 specific images to add here. So we'll double click and select images. It should open to where we left off when we were doing the district-wide buttons. So for middle school and high school, your first button will be syllabus. For elementary, your first button will be policies and goals. That's the only difference. The other 3 buttons will be the same at all levels. So since I'm doing a high school example, I'll select syllabus. If you're doing elementary, you would do policies and goals. Now all I need to do is drag this down to 2 grid lines. They're a little harder to see on this background, but we can see them. You'll be able to see them easily on your own computer. Then uncrop the button so that the whole thing shows. That's very important to remember, to uncrop. Then I'm not going to link these right now. We'll talk about this, about how to link these in the next stage. But we'll go ahead and add all the buttons. So again, images. The next one is course materials. And again, 2 grid lines. And uncrop. Next one is going to be resources. 2 grid lines and uncrop. And then the last one is going to be standards. And we'll make that again 2 grid lines and uncrop. Now notice these are all uncropped, so they're all the right size. They're all the same in size. And these will be the same across all grade levels except for the very first button. Then the last button you need to add here is for a link to your own school's website. So we'll double click here. There is an extra step involved because we're in the buttons for all staff. You can see right here it shows where we are in Drive. So we want to go back one step to Webpage images. And not logos, but links is the folder that we want to go into. And they look very similar, so please make sure you're in the links folder. And again, you can see it right there that you're in the right one. And I'll show you the difference between the two as we load this one up. So since I'm using Arcadia for this example, I'll go ahead and pull that one in. Notice it has school link in white text underneath it. So you want to make sure you have the one that says school link. And then always, of course, hit that uncrop button. Now, in order to link this button, you simply need to open your school's homepage from the Concrete or susd.org site. I have Arcadia's open right here, so I will just copy and again, open the link, paste with Control V and hit apply, and that one's good to go. And then we'll explain to you what to link these to, and then you'll be able to publish and your site will be completed.